3, Steve Salas. 4, Adam Bartle. 5, Jim Wood. 6, Dave Hemingway. 7, Pat Booth. 8, Lisa Hemingway, husband and wife team right there. 9, Christine Cody's. Tristan, 10.
Gonna get the carnage, huh?
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys, looks like we have our turn marshals ready. You guys, be on your toes. In less than 5. Keep it clean, guys. Keep it courteous. Looks like Christine getting turned around in the middle of the feature jump there. Our TQ after the early lead, followed closely by Solik and then Bartle.
Am I dying? Oh no! I see some loving.
Coming around our TQ, first 41.1, followed by Solik 42.7. We did a good race, guys. Help him out there, help him out there. Oh, you help in the front stretch. They invited themselves. Pat says, I'm going for it. Austin and Adam got a pretty tight battle coming on the right side of the track. That is first and second. I would say Bartle having a couple of issues. That's unfortunate. He was one of the top contenders on this one. Dave going big over the feature jump. Oh, Solik going for the lead. Has some issues. Comes up the wrong side of the jump on that one. Current running order: Austin, Adam Solik, Jim, Dave Hemingway, Lisa Hemingway, Steve N.C.S.O.S, Pat Booth, Christine, Tristan, and Bartle is out. Leader pitching sideways coming into the straightaway. Dave Hemingway making a run at these leaders. Going big. Air catching on that one. That's a little parachute action. Got a lot of the short course stretch sometimes. Nice front flip.
I do that on purpose.
Heck, you a front flip and you advance your spot. Doesn't get better than that. That is second place coming up behind you, Christine. That is a pretty close battle. Sorry, the next one was second place. Sorry, I thought Solik was a lot closer than that, but certainly he had a bad lap that time. Tristan, that is second place right behind you, coming up behind you. Please give him room, he's battling. Thank you, sir. Oh, help on the step down. Help on the step down, Mikey. Leader open up a little bit of a gap. We are currently 3.5 down, 4.5 to go, drivers. That is Austin Hanson, your current TQ, out front, trying to set the pace, trying to set the gap away from Mr. Solik. Solik about 6.7 seconds back. Dave Hemingway, our third place contender, coming sideways coming on the front stretch. He is in a podium contention at this point. Lisa pulling that trigger down the front stretch. Pat couldn't resist, had to go full wood over that feature. Gained some pretty valuable time. It does pay off when it does land right. Our leader coming over the left side hip jump. 4.5 down, 3.5 to go. Our leader making his way through the S section. Looks like coming up behind Pat Booth. Second place coming underneath the bridge at this time right now. That's your lead right behind you guys. Pat Booth and Christine, thank you. Very respectful. Our second place making his way over the downside through the other S section over the bridge. Help landing in the feature. Help landing in the feature. Matt Hayes, someone in the middle. Oh, our second place having some issues into the six-pack. Thank you, Matt. We are approaching almost 6 down, 2 to go, driver. 6 down, 2 to go. Our leader making his way over the feature jump. Sal not taking the fast line to the feature jump. Second place coming up to the feature jump. Christine Cody's making her way around the front stretch. Into the 180 over the feature jump. Oh. Caution landing in the feature. You're clear, Matt. You're clear. Dave Hemingway, third place, coming down the front stretch. Currently got 25 seconds behind second place. That is your leader coming down the front stretch. Leader looking to put a lap on third place. Nice and consistent. Where's our second place, guys? Second place coming out the front stretch. Currently got 12.5 seconds behind the leader. Leader making his way through the left side double. Just put a lap on third place. Looks like he's got pretty clear track for a little while in front of him. That's not good for second place.
Man.
Tristan, that is second place right behind you. Caution this side of the feature. Landing on the feature this side. Thank you, Rich. We got 45 seconds left. There's 8 minutes inning, 45 seconds left.
Come on. Get there, buddy.
Our leader getting hung up a little. Oh. Leader having some issues.
Put it on the track.
Something, put on.
Put it on track.
Let it go. Put him back on. Let him go. Mikey, put him on. That's going to hand the lead over to Silverlick. Unfortunate for Austin Hansen. He had a 12.5 second lead. Time clock has expired. Cross the line, you will be finished. Cross the line, you will be done. Christine, you are finished. Austin Hansen having an unfortunate circumstance. Not sure if the tie rod popped off or what. Those trucks are all live out there, turn marshals. They are all live. Cross the line, you will be finished. Dave, you are finished. Everyone's finished when you cross the line.